Hello everyone, this is the fifth video of the series of Political Science Quick Revision. In this video, I am going to discuss about John Rawls's three important concepts which he explained in his book A Theory of Justice. An American philosopher, John Rawls, came into limelight after the publication of his book A Theory of Justice in the year 1971. His other notable books I have mentioned in the last slide. This book attracted wide attention among the philosophers worldwide. In this book, he viewed justice as fairness or impartial distribution of goods and liberties in society from the original position and from behind the veil of ignorance. Now, I am going to discuss about this briefly. Before explaining these ideas, we should know what was his impositions about society. He revitalized social contract theory. According to this theory, the political authority came into existence through a contract between rulers and ruled, and the basis was to treat all citizens fairly. Or from the standpoint of rulers, it has been recognized that all citizens have the right to enjoy a fair share of goods and liberty in a state. Now let us see what he meant by justice as fairness. Rawls's idea of justice is a version of democratic social justice. He was in favor of a strong state. The state can collect taxes extensively, and in return it is obliged to provide basic needs of human life and especially the least well-off section of society, or who are not in position to fulfill their basic needs. To fulfill the aim of democratic social justice, state will provide welfare, education and health service for all. Actually, in Rawls's view, justice as fairness is a set of principles which are selected by the person in original position. Now, our second concept is what Rawls meant by original position. As we know, in a democratic society, people choose their representatives. Here a point should be mentioned. Rawls suggested that election will be state funded to ensure fair choice of representatives. He called these representatives as first set of persons who has an agreement with the second set of members of society. How a society will be governed. And the aim of this agreement is to ensure largest share of benefits to the person in the second set for whom they serve as representative. Every member of first set or representatives are morally bound to his client of second set, and Rawls called this position as original position. What he meant by veil of ignorance? This means each advocate or representative are totally blank about the identity of gender, race, intelligence, wealth, education and religion by whom they are chosen as representatives. And this is the veil of ignorance. In other words, the representatives will treat each and every member equally because the second set of people willfully chosen them to establish and maintain an enduring system of mutual cooperation. According to Rawls, two principles of justice would be selected in the original position: liberty principle and difference principle. Liberty principle: individual citizens are entitled to an equal right to the most extensive scheme of the basic liberties compatible with a similar scheme of liberties for others. Second is difference principle. Social and economic inequalities are to be arranged so they are both reasonably expected to be to everyone's advantage and attached to positions and offices open to all. I have discussed about difference principle in detail in a video on John Rawls's theory of justice. Briefly, it means the principle of social and economic inequalities should be practiced when it is advantageous for a large section of society. Rawls's main aim was to assemble in the original position a series of relatively uncontroversial, relatively fixed points among our considered moral judgments and to build an argument on that basis for the superiority of some principles of justice over other principles. In brief, we can say that justice as fairness equal to some set of principles, original position equal to position of the persons, that is who will serve as representative of the people, veil of ignorance or lack of knowledge about the gender, race, age, intelligence, wealth, education, religion, etc. of people for whom the first set of society are in charge of as representative. It has been already mentioned the name of his famous book, A Theory of Justice, published in the year 1971. Other three notable books are Political Liberalism, published in the year 1993, The Law of Peoples, published in the year 1999, The Justice as Fairness, published in the year 2001. Please hit the like button if this video is useful for you. Wish you all the best.